Hi, Firestarter here, and it's been a while since I reviewed a BB Gundam. But here it is. We got here is Shin Toutaku Zaku from the Battle Brave Warriors Gundam. Sorry about that. Sometimes it falls on its own. Never mind. And this is the figure, and he is one of the big bad bosses. I think from season 3. Let me check that later in a bit. But this is Toutaku Zaku, and articulation points would be like the arms does rest on the ball joint, swiveling hand, army arms. Also the hands moves from left to right, up and down. Shoulder pads also move up and down, and his shoulder hands also flips to a certain extent. Waist articulation and legs, it does have a hinge on the knee and a hinge also on the hip, and also there's little bit of articulation points on the legs. And his beard is rested also in a hinge, so you can lift that up and place it down. Head does turn left to right, up and down. So there, for a small figure, he does like have a lot of joints and articulation points, which kind of neat. And you might notice that there are not a lot of stickers placed on this toy. The only stickers that you can find is the gold plate or gold what do you call this, pegs or rivets on this figure. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 pivots or rivets that are in stickers, with stickers. And of course the head does have a sticker. I mean the eye, you just got one eye. And this gold trim over here is actually a sticker. So because of the most of the gold lines for this figure, you won't even notice which ones are stickers and which one are plastic molds. Kinda nice. Other than that, he came with a small dragon statuette, because like most of the BB Gundam model kits, the other hand is a holding hand and the other one is an open spliced hand. So you can have him hold the dragon statuette. Kinda nice. It's painted in shiny gold. Let me give you a closer look on this, which has a lot of detail, surprisingly. And at the bottom it does have a stamp for Zaku. Kinda neat. And let's see if it can I can balance this perfectly. Great, that's nice. And he also has two kinds of FX parts, which doubles like a firing missile thingy going on. It's colored in translucent pink. He has two. You have another one on the other side. Although this top part is the only one that's molded, and the bottom is like a huge gap inside here. That's it. He's really tall, surprisingly taller than other BB Gundam releases. Like for example, I have here Ryubi from the BB Gundam series. It's quite small, and I think this is the tallest BB Gundam you'll ever get on this toy line. It's really a massive looking Gundam and a badass looking one. Some of the good points is that he has this treads here on the side, and a long helmet extension over here, also kind of neat, and dragon wings for the helmet. That's it. Get him if you can, because he really does look good. So if you want to know the possibilities for this figure, do check out the photos at the end of the video, and do subscribe to my blogspot for the written review. This is Firestarter. Thank you very much, and until the next review, I do. You can also double as wings. A BB Gundam with wings. Look, ma, I got wings.
Te